There was a meeting in the hall for the parents to come along to see how the children learn the new math system. A couple of us came along, and then a few others just joined in.
But this class is particularly special because of this new learning scheme. My first meeting with Sharon, we discussed numeracy because the school were taking on a new learning system.
It's because the children can actually see something as a number rather than just you say a number. If you say 1, they can actually visualise 1 cup.
I wish I'd done maths ago when I was in school. Yeah, definitely.
The method of teaching maths now is 100% different, and I think a lot easier for the children to understand.
I think it's essential that parents understand what's going on in school. Perhaps the way that they were taught was very different to the way that teaching is done now. And it's a good way of developing a sense of community within the school.
I think we all look forward to coming to the class because we have such
Fun,
yeah. You know, and learning, and then the children come in, so you're involving our own children with it as well. So, you know, it's all beneficial to everybody then.
And I never thought I'd be putting fun and maths in the same sentence.
No, definitely not.
I think you have been amazing this year. I have looked forward to Tuesday mornings so much with the maths that you have been learning, the fun we've had, that your children are a credit to you. You are a credit to this school and to this community, and I just want to say a massive congratulations. You really deserve this.
Well, I think it's fantastic that we won this award. It just goes to show that how committed we all are to the programme, and just shows how much the children enjoy it as well.